5 main part of the air conditioners. 1. Refrigerant. A refrigerant is a working fluid used in the refrigeration cycle of air conditioning systems and heat pumps, where in most cases they undergo a repeated phase transition from a liquid to a gas and back. 2. Compressor. The purpose of the compressor is to circulate the refrigerant in the system under pressure. This concentrates the heat it contains. At the compressor, the low-pressure gas is changed to high pressure. 3. Condenser. The purpose of the condenser is to receive the high-pressure gas from the compressor and convert this gas to a liquid. It does it by heat transfer, or the principle that heat will always move from a warmer to a cooler substance. 4. Expansion valve. The expansion valve removes pressure from the liquid refrigerant to allow expansion or change of state from a liquid to a vapor in the evaporator. 5. Evaporator. The evaporator coil is the component in your AC system that absorbs the heat from the air inside your home.